Video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw funds from revolutX to Revolut. So it's super simple. So right now, as you can see on the USD, I have about $100, and all you have to do, log in. So before that, let's show you how to actually get access. So for those who don't know, we're trying to explore these platforms. So you go to exchange.revolut.com. That's for, and then I assume you already have Revolut account. If you don't have account, you need to set up a Revolut account. Then you just enter your password, and then you will have to scan this QR code on your phone. Also make sure that on your phone you have the Revolut app installed. Once I do this, I'm just gonna go to my camera right now. I scroll it, go to the Revolut app, and all I have to do is to confirm that this is me logging into my account, and this is taking me to the dashboard of crypto. I have about $100 here, as you can see. But if you want to sell and withdraw, first you need to sell the crypto and convert them into US dollar, and then you can withdraw. So in this case, I'm gonna just withdraw this $100 that I have. So all I have to do is to click withdraw. So I'm gonna withdraw Fate. I'm gonna select the USD and to Revolut. It's automatically showing Revolut. I'm gonna withdraw 100% to Revolut, and then an USD account review, and there is no fee. That's good. Confirm. Now you transferred 132. Now I've transferred this amount to my Revolut account. Now another thing is that you can actually see the balance here and of Revolut account. I think if you just to put deposit fund here, cash, so as you can see this balance from Revolut. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment, and your thoughts. That's all for the video. Thanks.